Hey, thank you for your question. I'm going to walk through what I believe the question is, give you a way to solve it from the root source, and then give you a workaround for LinkedIn. So the question is, how the heck do I get an ideal image in my featured section when I hit the plus sign and it says, and I select links and I put in the link and it's not the right image that I want for it? It shows up something crazy or shows up no image at all. Well, to fix that from the root side of things, you would go to your site. So in this case, I pulled up one of my websites and I could go into the settings for the page and I will show you that it has a social share preview section where I could create a branded image or just select an image and put it in there. And so anytime I share the link to this page, it will actually unfurl the ideal image that I've created. So then when I share the link on LinkedIn, then that image is what will show. Instead, if I want to work around, say I have this project that I want to show people, but I have an icon because it works well for my site, but it's not going to look particularly interesting when people get to the featured section. So what I would do instead, my workaround would be I would hit plus sign and then I would hit media, look for my image. Okay, I will select the ideal image that I would want to show. It will come up with the image name. However, I can change out the content. So instead, I give them a little blurb. And then I will add in the description box both a statement about the project, just some little enticement to get them to click through, but also the link. And so now, when I hit save, it's the image I want to show up. And then when they click on it, instead of going direct to the page, they'll have the little blurb and they'll have the link to it. So that's a way to get the ideal image. Clearly, you might want to do it from the root of your site, but if you need the workaround, now you have it. Let me know if you have any other questions.